Hi, welcome to CSC Bal Vidyalaya, Gijarodh. In this video we are reviewing talking flashcards. These cards are available at Amazon, Flipkart and local shops. Well, we brought it from Amazon. You can buy these in between 300 to 500 rupees. We are going to use these cards in our school for early learning and vocabulary development of our little students. Let's see whether they can serve the purpose or not. In this package we got one chargeable card scanner cum speaker, one A-type charging cable and 112 double-sided flashcards, covering 12 different themes like animals, birds, vegetables, fruits, shapes, colors and many more things. Device is very easy to use with minimal functions and have lightweight handy design. The sound of the device is just okay. A bit on lower side, difficult for child to hear in loud circumstances. Battery backup is okay. Can last up to 2 to 3 hours on continuous go. Let's have a demo of device usage.
Hello, let's play now. Chocolate. Book. Fan. Carrot. Lion. Bear. Mouse. Owl.
We found this good for early learning and recommend this to under 5 age children. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this.